How to use Yrefy student loan refinance properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Yrefy simplifies student loan refinancing, but beginners often make mistakes that cost money or reduce benefits. Here's how to use it properly. Most people get this wrong. They focus solely on interest rates. The surprising truth is that loan term, repayment flexibility, and fees are equally important. Lower rates don't always save money if the term is longer or fees are high. Another common mistake is neglecting credit score impact. Yrefy pre-qualifies without affecting credit, but final approval does involve a credit check. Monitor your score and understand how it affects offers. Many users also overlook loan consolidation. Refinancing multiple loans can simplify payments, but ignoring it might leave high-interest loans separate, costing more over time. Neglecting automatic payments is another trap. Yrefy offers autopay discounts that reduce rates slightly. Not setting this up leaves potential savings on the table. Finally, beginners often fail to read terms and conditions. Some loans have prepayment penalties or variable rates. Understanding these prevents unexpected costs. In conclusion, using Yrefy properly means evaluating full loan terms, monitoring credit, considering consolidation, setting up autopay, and reading terms carefully. Avoiding these mistakes ensures smarter refinancing and long-term savings.